Hey, do you want to learn how you can design your own solar rooftop system? Hello everyone, and Jai Hind. I am Major Priyanka from Visol Renewable Energy Solutions. Have you been thinking to find out the size and the cost of the solar rooftop power plant for your home, factory, or institution? So here's how you can do it and all by yourself. Just log in to www.visolindia.com and click on the solar calculator on the top right. Enter your details and enter the type of building. Enter your average monthly consumption of electricity in number of units. If your electricity bill shows the number of units consumed for last 6 or 12 months, just take an average of all and enter the figure. Also, enter the tariff rate, that is the cost per unit of electricity in rupees. This you can find out by dividing the total bill amount by the number of units consumed in that particular month. And guess what? You have designed your solar power plant. The output that you get is the size of your solar power plant, the area required, the number of units generated per year, the cost of the solar rooftop or the ground mounted power plant, and more importantly, the payback period in number of years. The life cycle of the solar panels are 25 years. So beyond your payback period, you can enjoy free electricity. Isn't it amazing? So friends, take your first step towards the upcoming solar revolution. Please like and share the video.